Hey guys, today is Friday and I'm just getting off from work. This weekend is a very special weekend because I am celebrating my cousin's gender reveal. We are going to find out the sex of her baby, which is super exciting, and I'm hosting it. So I'm getting off from work. I just got off from work. I'm about to go home, grab my bag and some of the things that I have for the gender reveal, throw it in the car, and we are out, guys. I am headed on a 2.5 to 3 hour ride to my cousin's mom's house, which is where we're gonna have the gender reveal, and I am going to start prepping. Oh, please. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, so like I was saying, I'm going to my house. I'm gotta pack a bag really quick, grab all the things. Then I'm headed to her mom's house where I am going to start decorating. We have to go to Sam's Club and get all the food for tomorrow. And we need to go to Party City to get some balloons. And I think I have all the decorations that we're gonna need. So I'm not really too stressed or worried about that. So I feel good about everything else. But yeah, so you guys are in for an exciting weekend. I don't think I told you guys the theme for the gender reveal. So the theme is like twinkle twinkle, what will baby be? Twinkle twinkle, little star, how we wonder what you'll be, or something like that. This car, just get on over. Go, just go, just go. Anyways, the theme is twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you'll be. So twinkle twinkle little star is the theme. It's so cute. We are doing like pink, blues, and gold as like our colors, and it's just so cute. I'm so excited about everything. I got some special cookies decorated from this lady that did some cookies for my other cousin's gender reveal that I hosted, and it's so cute. So when I get to my house, I'm gonna be sure to show you guys those. They came out cute. So we got cookies. We are gonna do some chocolate dip pretzels with like different colored glitters, and I brought some pink and blue like little drizzle that I could put on them. I'm really excited. Hopefully my camera's not shaking. I feel like it is shaking. I need to set my IS filter. I was looking up some videos, y'all, on vlogging and like how to work my camera because I'm jumping all over the place. But anyways, I was also looking up some videos today about like how to use some of the other features on my camera, because I mean, I just been using the basics. Like I know how to adjust the lighting and stuff like that, but like I don't know like the ND filters and frames per whatever. So I was learning that you set your IS so that it takes out the shake in your camera. So even when I'm like holding it by hand, it will remove some of the shake. So I'm gonna make sure I do that, because the video that I was watching, it just looked so good when he took the shake out of the video. Like everything was like buttery and really smooth. So I'm gonna try to set that. Hopefully I can do that when I get to my cousin's house tonight. So yeah, and I'm just so excited. I'm probably gonna say that like 100 times in this video, but yeah, whatever. Before I go home, I'm gonna make sure I stop and get some gas because I am under a half a tank, and I hate having to stop on the highway, like stop once I'm like driving and getting in a good flow and on the highway to get gas. I hate that. So I'm gonna make sure I get some gas. Alright guys, I am about to show you guys what the cookies look like. They are super cute, and then I need to stop playing around and get my butt dressed. Change my clothes, pack my bag, and get ready and get on the road, so I'm not getting there super late. But I want to show you these cookies, and then the next time you see me, I'll probably be at a different location. Look how cute these cookies are. They are the cutest.
And of course, there is one that says, that's in blue, that says Twinkle Twinkle. Cute, right? So cute. We got like a dozen of them, I think. Maybe 2 dozen, I don't know. I think it's like a dozen, but they're so cute. Alright guys, I gotta stop playing around and get dressed and pack my bags. Well,
hey guys, today is Saturday. It is the big day of the gender reveal. This is my cousin Shakiva, and we are both hosting the gender reveal together. So we are in Michael's so that we can get some chocolate for the chocolate covered pretzels and some other stuff. And we're gonna take you guys along with us for the rest of the day and then show you guys the decorations that we already put up. They look super cute. So yeah, but right now we need to get some chocolate, and I don't even think we're going in the right direction, so I need to pay attention.
Yeah, I don't think we're going in the right direction.
No, because we're in the frame.
And I like this store, so like I feel like
look what she got in her hand though, y'all. That's not what we came to shop for. I just want to make that clear. But I kind of put her onto the bandwagon, the Happy Planner stuff, and she needs some new sticker books. So I think this is a good time to get one. So that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna get back at y'all once we find this chocolate that we're looking for. They got a whole clearance section.
Your camera?
Where we gonna put that at, Kiva?
I know.
Okay, we need some twinkle lights. I want the ones like we had because they worked out so good.
No, don't be like them people that say to use the make aloe vera, the gel pads. I'm still talking about
y'all.
So.
Why is she talking about giving birth and stuff? I'm not the one that's pregnant, okay? She has a baby. Our cousin is pregnant. She's not here. I don't need to hear about the situation that happens after the baby come out. And we're not gonna say what it is, but the nastiness. I'm getting sick to my stomach.
Are you going in?
Yeah, I'm going in. So y'all, we about to go get the cake from this little cake place that we got her cake from, and hopefully it's cute. If it's ugly, y'all, it's her fault, cause she ordered it.
No. I ordered the cake that she told me to order. She sent me the picture, therefore I sent it to them. So if the cake is not right,
she said, the lady said, well, the writing might not look the same, so we about to go see, right now. That's the cake. It looks cute. And we have a cute little topper to go on in. What you think about it, Key?
I love it.
You love it? Looks pretty.